This Kiorafoto JJC ES-2 film digitizing kit offers a straightforward way to turn 35mm negatives and slides into clean digital photos using your existing camera. The included barrel and multiple adapter rings make it compatible with a wide range of Canon, Nikon, and Sony macro lenses, so it can slot into many different setups. Installation is quick and tool-free, and once mounted, you can feed strips or individual slides through the holders for efficient batch copying. The built-in view angle adjustment ring helps you fine-tune framing and correct small alignment issues, which leads to more consistent results across a whole roll. For Nikon D850 users, it pairs especially well with the camera's negative digitizer mode that flips colors in camera and speeds up the workflow. Overall, the kit feels thoughtfully engineered for photographers who want a compact, repeatable solution for archiving film without investing in a dedicated scanner.